Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you from WEC with your daily announcements. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. Today's weather, I got to think about it. The Pillowcast says it's going to be partly sunny and 62. Stick around for the weekend because it's going to be nice. Looking in the 75 on Friday. I don't know. Stay tuned for the Pillowcast. My positive quote for today. Success doesn't come to you. You go get it. Have a great day, everyone.
What's up? This is Make Your Own Weights Home Edition. I asked you guys to come up with some of your own weights that you created at home. I'm going to show you what I got. A little bag right here. Just a little bag. Threw some books in there. It's a nice little lightweight. Get some curls in on. All right, come up here. Oh, work the triceps. Pull it up here. I can do the old start the mower. Work the back a little bit. There we go. That's just kind of a little lighter weight. Next level, just a bigger bag. Threw a bunch of books in there. Strap this thing on, you're just adding weight to your body, a little extra resistance. So just do some body weight exercises, do some squats with a backpack on, like this. Got an old hose. Wrap it around a tree. Battle rope. Keep working hard.
Here's a good brain teaser for you today. What starts with an E, ends with an E, and only has one letter in it? An envelope. Get it? Envelope. E. Letter.
I am giving Tanner a shout out for making sure he is checking in daily. And Tanner is also going above and beyond with completing assignments. So way to go, Tanner. You are amazing.
I'll give a shout out to Hunter. You were the man, sir. All right. You've been doing an awesome job being in all your classes, getting all your work done, staying in touch with me, and just kicking butt across the board.